Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to solve exercise 16.3, which is based on probability, right? So in the last video, we have discussed that what are the probability, right? So let's now move further to solve question based on probability, right? Okay. So here we go. Yes, so we will do exercise 16.3. Now, yes. So first question is, which of the following is a random experiment? Okay, random experiment means where we don't have any interference on outcomes. Okay, now tossing a coin. Yes, right? It is basically random experiment because we don't have any, we cannot say that yes, what will come. It can come anything, heads or tail, right? So yes, it is. Now rolling a single six-sided dice. Yes, here also it is basically a random experiment, right? Now choosing a marble from a jar, right? If in the jar there are many marbles or many different colors marble, here also we like it is random experiment only to choose a particular color jar marble, right? Now see, also all of these above are basically random experiment. So option D is the correct answer. Now question number 2, which of the following is an outcome? Okay, rolling a pair of dice. It is outcome. No, it is not outcome. It is basically experiment when you are rolling a dice. So coin landing on heads. Yes, it is outcome. Right? It is outcome that yes, that coin landing on head. Now, choosing two marbles from a jar. No, it is not outcome because we don't know which two marbles we have chosen. So choosing two marbles from a jar is basically event. So this is random experiment. This is basically outcomes. This is event. Okay. So answer is coin landing on heads. Now next, which of the following experiment does not have equally likely outcomes? Okay. Choosing a number at random from 1 to 7. If you are choosing 1 to 7, any number random. So total numbers 7. If suppose I'm choosing 1 by 7. If suppose I'm choosing 2, how many times 2 is coming? One time only, 1 by 7. Right? So each and every number will come only one time. So for each and every number, the probability will be 1 by 7. So it is basically equally likely for all. Same. Now tossing a coin, if you're tossing a coin, it means either head will come or tail will come, half. Same, equally likely. Choosing a letter at random from the word school. Okay, here if we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 alphabets. Okay, S, C, H, O, O, L. 6 alphabets. If suppose I'm finding probability of choosing S. Total 6 alphabets. How many times S is coming? 1 time. Okay. Probability of choosing C. Total 6. How many times C is coming? 1 time. Okay. Now probability of choosing H. Total 6. How many times H is coming? 1. Okay. Same. Let's see. Probability of getting O. Total 6. And how many times O is coming? 1 and 2 times. So 2 by 6. So that is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 1 by 3. So here it is not equally likely because here you can see 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, but here you got 1 by 3. Right? So this one is not equally likely outcomes. Clear? Yeah, very good. Now let's move to next. Question 4 says, if a date is randomly selected from April, okay, what is the probability that it is divisible by 7? So total number of days in April. How many days are there in April? Tell quickly. I hope you all know these ones. January, February, March, April, 30. 30 days. Okay. So total number of days 30. It means total outcomes basically 30. Now find the probability that is divisible by 7. Okay. So from 1 to 30, how many numbers are divisible by 7? Or either you write divisible by 7 or you write, okay, yes. Yes, either you write divisible by 7 or you can write it as favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes, if we see, then 7, 14, 21 and 28. There are only 4. Okay, so how many favorable outcomes are there? 4. Right, so we need to find the probability of getting a number divisible by 7. The probability of getting divisible by 7. Right, what's the formula? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. How many favorable outcomes we have? 4. Total outcomes 30. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 2 15 is a 30. So answer is 2 by 15. Clear? Okay, now let's move to next question. A finger is selected at random from a hand. From a hand, it means we are talking about this only. What is the probability that it is not the thumb? So total outcomes. How many fingers are there in this hand? It means total finger, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5. Now how many thumb are there? 1. And how many fingers? Which it means we can say not thumb. Not thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 which are not thumb. Now we need to find the probability of not the thumb. Not the thumb. Okay. So formula, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable, how many not are the not the thumb? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And total 5. 4 by 5, that's it. Right? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. A number is randomly selected from the clock face. Okay. Clock face. A number is randomly selected. Can you tell me how many numbers are there in a clock face? So if we see numbers on a clock face, just see the clock and tell me the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Can I write 13 also? No, 13 is not at the clock face. Okay. Now, what's the probability that it lies on the right side of the face? Okay. So, number lies on right side of the clock face. Okay, so if this one is clock, it is 12, it is 6. Okay, so this is left side, this is right side. Okay, so right side we need to see, then we can see. Okay, so right side, if we see, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 numbers are lying right side of the face. Okay, so now let's find the probability of getting a number which is right side on the face. Total outcomes, there are total 12 outcomes. How many are favorable? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outcomes are favorable. So 5 by 12, right? Okay, now question number 7. A month is selected at random. Okay, what is the probability that it has 31 days? So total outcomes. How many months are there in a year? 12. Now, favorable outcomes. It means months, those have 31 days. Can you tell me which all month have 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Right? So how many are the favorable outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 favorable outcomes. So what will be the probability of getting 31 days? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable is 7, total is 12. 7 by 12 is the answer. Now question number 8. A bag contains 4 blue, 4 blue, 4 red, 6 yellow, and 10 white. Oh my God. What is the probability of drawing the following? Which of these is a certain event? Okay, we'll see. Now, first of all, we'll write total outcomes. It means how many total balls are there? 4 blue, 4 red, 6 yellow, and 10 white. Okay, so 10, 10, 24. So there are total 24 balls. Now we need to find the probability of a blue marble. Okay, so favorable outcomes. How many blue marbles are there? 4. So probability of getting blue marble. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable is 4, total is 24. 4 1 is 4, 4 6 are 24, 1 by 6. Okay. Now second one, a yellow marble. So favorable outcomes. How many yellow marbles are there? 6. 6. So probability of yellow marble. Favorable outcome upon total outcome. Favorable is 6, total 24. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, 1 by 4. Right? Now third one, a red marble. So favorable outcome for red marble. There are 4 red marbles. So probability of getting red marble is favorable outcome upon total outcome. Right? So favorable outcome is 4 and total outcome is 24. Right? So 4 1s are 4 6 are 1 by 6. Okay. Now fourth bit, a white marble. Right? So a white marble we need to find. Okay, so favorable outcomes for white marble, there are total 10 white marbles. Right, so probability of white marble will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable is 10, total is 24. So it can be further simplified with 2, 2 5s are, 2 12s are. So 5 by 12 is the probability of getting white marbles. Now fifth bit it says a blue or a yellow marble. So favorable outcome, a blue or a yellow marble. So how many blue? There are 4 blue and 6 yellow. Okay, so there are total 10. So probability of blue or yellow. Okay, so favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable 10, total 24. Again, can be further simplified with 2. So 2 5s are and 2 12s are. 5 by 12 is the answer. Now sixth bit. Sixth bit it is saying a red or a white marble. Okay, so now favorable outcomes. A red. How many red? There are 4 reds. Or a white marble plus white. There are 10 white. So total 14. Right? So probability of red or white marbles. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable is 14, total 24. Can be further simplified with 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 12s are 24. 7 by 12. Now for the seventh bit here, a red, yellow or white marble. So there, okay, a red, yellow or white marble. Okay, so here only I'm writing. Here only I'm solving this seventh question. Favorable outcomes. Red. How many red? 4 red, 6 yellow, and white, 10 white. So total 20. Right? So what will be the probability? Favorable 20 upon total 24, which can be further simplified with 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. So 5 by 6. Okay. Now a red, blue, yellow, or white marble. There are only these 4 color marbles, right? So this one is certain, right? This one is certain event. So for certain event, we have probability as 1, right? So that's all for this video. We have completed exercise 16.3, which is basically based on probability, right? In next videos, we will solve some worksheet related to this data handling chapter, right? So till then, bye-bye. Take care and do revise.